I thought his door was open now.
They just bet this Camaro money to take off down the street. Oh Lord.
Y'all just be careful. Driving crazy.
This ain't no racetrack.
Oh, so they can actually drag it. You know.
Oh yeah. Get up there.
So this street actually big enough for them to drag right now. Where the Camaro go?
Oh, I don't know. They told him go home.
Oh, they probably told him to go home.
You drunk? Go home.
Go home. We ain't never seen you act like this. Like, what happened? Oh, he come to Hellcat. Oh, yeah, he's gonna act though. Wait, none of that.
Haha. Why they just drive it down the street? This reminds me of Fast and Furious, bro.
Yeah.
African American edition. Pick you up the ground and knock you to the floor. Let's go toe to toe. Knock you to the floor. Let's go toe to toe.
Get your head from toe to toe.
No.
Knock you down.
No. I'm on flow.
Oh,
Niggas.
he come to
Bet.
they come to fast. Right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that snake. Oh, that's that Shelby. Oh, that's that
Oh.
Right there.
Look at all this smoke. So you just gonna curse in front of him? How old is his beef that? So you just gonna curse in front of him? He said that mug. He just gonna curse right in front of you.
Hey, listen, I was too excited. I'm sorry.
Yes, we are. Basically.
Wait, so what the bike's gonna do?
Oh, they get up there, trust me. They get up there, trust me. They faster than some of the cars here.
Ooh, y'all gonna take that bike.
When some go down, they be the first to leave.
Oh God, they be quick to get out of here. Bye bye. He boats. You just gonna put us a parking lot to go off.
He said, "Forget your car, nigga." All that goodness. That redness.
Oh, the red interior.
Yep. Red leather, red everything. They trophy in there. I don't know if you can see it. Where on 34 is it? Over there? Dang. Oh, my word.
Where's the track off when you leave? Oh, so they have a little drag. Okay, right there. Like, that's gonna be a good drag.
Bro, this was crazy.
Hellcat go wiggle.
Yeah. But that track off is gonna keep up though. Don't track
Hey, if y'all right, ooh.
all the messages on you get all the messages.
Your girl, his girl probably like, who that messaging? We heard it. We all heard it.
We all heard it.
Yeah, y'all interested in these purchases for y'all car, bro?
That smell good.
How much you want to go for? $5. Oh, this should smell like bubble gum.
Them up pepper wings.
Fly like this.
Fly like this. These on here,
Whoa. Oh, we got an SS. Don't pull out now.
This said Dracula. Please, dog, you gonna die. Hey, burn out. Please.
You can't burn out because his car too low to his tires.
They can. I seen niggas do it lower than him.
We all heard who texted you. Who was that texting you? Oh, yo, you lucky I can't grab your phone right now because I would have grabbed your phone and whooped that bitch ass over there. I'm like, dang. Well, that's deep.
All you heard was doo-doo, 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 doo-doo,
doo-doo.
Hey. Yes, I said that you were wrong. Chasing those young girls. Oh, them young girls. I'm not gonna be no fool no more. I'm so sorry, ma.
I killed that dude, didn't I?
Hey, if I don't get 1,000 likes on this today, I'm deleting my channel. I'm deleting my channel.
Why?
Shut up.
Oh,
Ugh. I'm a small slime.
that fat girl on the car.
So who?
You see that fat girl on the car?
She gonna put a dent on somebody's car. They go on my car. Burn it out.
That's a wrap. Yeah.
I'm like an airport.
Hey, stop cursing.
That was just him.
Got up.
That motherfucker. That's all I hear.
Bro. Oh, so you know that Trump got a V6 in it?
Cut this video short.
Watch this. Ah, he finna do it too.
Burn out.
Come on.
Burn out. Feel like, no, there go 12.
Everybody's getting.
Don't get it twisted. Black niggas all through here because they got warrants and all stuff. Motorcycle niggas you gotta worry about. They got the most warrants. They gon' get up. They gon' get out.
Oh yeah, but like all Audis do that. Because that means that you're in a foreign if you do that.
I forget what name it is,
Yeah, he probably in divorce.
Can you burn out?
Can you burn out? Burn out. Because I'm going to burn myself out of this equation. I need a GoPro.
Look, my grass like this. Lemon pepper wings.
Can't nobody see you. Get in front of a light. Hold on, right here. Right. Your face still black.
Lemon pepper wings.
Your dad go, where my son at?
I'm gonna be like, that bitch, did you call?
He gonna wake up, my son at home.
He gonna walk in the house and he's gonna fall. That's gonna be so funny.
How you fall inside your own house? You know where everything is, nigga.
Ask him not. Ask, do this.
Hey! Hey! Excuse me?
Can you burn out?
Burn out.
He's older. He's older.
He said no.
I don't know.
Playing my emotions. That was doing it way when we got here.
Right.
Now all of a sudden they're scared.
Come on, can you burn out for me, please?
Hey, ain't the time for all that liquor lacking. I got you up here. Oh.
Oh yeah, come on, cat. Come on, burn out. Yo, I don't know what we doing.
Raise it up. Raise it up.
Okay. Well, now we got it.
He's almost.
Yeah.
He's not finna do it.
Hey.
Hey! Police? You said police?
As soon as the Hellcat come, they want to come. As soon as the Hellcat come, they want to come.
Okay, y'all acting up. Why y'all gotta kill our vibe? Y'all wouldn't hear none while they was doing burnouts.
For real.
You found out they was doing donuts, so you came.
For real. Hello. I'm sorry.
You're the only officer in the car.
No.
He not gonna catch him.
Hi, you ain't gonna catch him. Hey, what you gonna do?
He not gonna catch him.
Come on.
Their lights instantly went on. Their lights instantly went on. They're like, oh shit, who told you to do that burnout?
They got extra mad for no reason. Hey, look, you. Come on, burn out. Burn out.
Come on, old timer.
Yeah. Come on, old school. Oh.
12 gone? Okay, they gone. Come on, raise it.
Yeah, you. Come on. Hey, look, you. Come on, hook me up.
Hey.
I will be your friend.
Burn out. He said yes.
Go around him.
Come on.
He ain't finna do it.
He said yes, he shook his head, yes. That caught you deep. Nah. He go instantly. Who told you to? No. Boy, chill.
Y'all cops cannot catch any car.
They gonna try to chase out the McLaren. They gonna get over them real quick. They gonna smack it to somebody Ford.
Oh God, they go, yeah, oh my God.
They go, now I gotta do paperwork. God dang it.
Oh yeah, him.
Oh, him.
Oh.
I hate 12.
They just want some donuts.
Don't go there.
Hair look like a white. They're like, nope.
Look me up. I'm a.
Police, get out of here. No, nobody wants you.
Bro, ain't nobody scared of Highland 12. Ooh, you come down here. Bro, ain't nobody scared of Highland 12.
Bro, every time the police come around, he like, nope. 12 should not be here.
For real, they should not be here right now.
Hi. They was just pointing at me.
Hey, baby.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, you looking pretty. Hey, baby. Hey, you, burn out. That old ass car. That's a new car. Oh, well. That's an old car.
Get up there. Get up there.
My arm hurt.
Got me popping every bone in my shoulder.
Please let me be a Hellcat. Jesus. This is a Hellcat hour. Y'all right here.
Hey, I don't know what y'all scared of. None of these police cars can catch up with y'all. Y'all got hella turbo.
Put up. Bring up. Come on.
You scary.
I'm gonna walk on. That's some bull. Come on. My arm hurts. Come on. Bro, anybody scared of 12, bro.
Come on, why is you afraid of 12? You can get up on them.
Bro, 12 can't.
Are they leaking at the bottom?
Yeah.
Hey, you leaking at the bottom. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, yeah. Ask him. Okay, bitch, I'm both just bro, they scared because 12 came back.
You never hit no more.
Right, they been gone.
Boy, they probably somewhere in the donut shop.
They probably somewhere eating a shake at Sonic's.
We should have went over there. They doing it.
They coming out. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now it's gonna get lit. Huh, and tell everybody to join you. Come on.
They come this way.
Subscribe now.
Give me 99 views on their line, bitch.
You better subscribe. You see what these people wearing, bro?
12,
they did not come. 12 needs to get a life. They got the dinks out here and everything.
For real, they doing too. Oh, here come the cat. Yep.
There go 12. No, they not gonna do it because 12.
Bro, I don't care about 12. Come on. I'm your friend. Come on. Come on. Burn out. Oh my.
Hi, beautiful.
So
It's okay, because she got looks.
Listen.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, we don't care. We need to help.
They should play, you know what they should do, bro? You know what would be bogus if they do? They play F the police well next to a cop and speed off. I'll be laughing.
Oh yeah,
he going
oh
off.
no, he turning.
See, look, there go 12, they goofy self.
They just mad because they don't got these type of cars.
Right. They're like, so why can't I get a car squad?
Oh, why can't I get a house card? All I can get is car card.
Ain't this that bullshit?
Come on, 12, right now.
He's just gonna look at you like, nigga,
Nigga, no.
nigga, please. I'm not trying to lose my job.
Oh, so they cost actually is faster.
Hey, I'll give you police discount.
Can you burn out, please? Y'all ran the
Hey, you
Hellcats
got donuts, you
away.
don't even got real rims. Look, they call leaking.
Y'all ran the Hellcats away, you bald bitch. I was called 12 a bald bitch. They keep on turning back around.
This how you know this is not Chicago. They would have been did it. It just did the dash. Came back. 12 still waiting. Did it again. Boy, this is Highland. Boy, they scared out here. Nah, Chicago.
Do this, do it.
CPD, what you got to be worried about.
Do it. Okay, so don't your arm hurt?
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
gonna let it rest.
Oh no! Boy, you better put that arm up in the air. Look what's coming.
Hey, one time and that's it.
Come on, give me some light. Come on, can you just
One
do it?
time and that's it.
Hey man, you better put both of them in the air.
How? How? Hey, excuse me,
Excuse me,
sir,
big 'em.
sir, Biggie.